Good morning, dear. Today we are going to discuss about the different tribal people who are living in India. So, dear, earlier we have discussed till now about the tribal and nomads, who are the tribal people who are not follow the norms made by the Brahmins, and they were divided into different clans. Clans means their ancestors were same. जो उनके पूर्वज एक ही रहा करते थे, they were known as the clans. So earlier we have discussed they also divided into nomadics. Who are the nomadics there? Those who rear the cattle and in search of pastures, water, they move from the one place to another due to the climatic condition also. And many times when they settle in that area for a short period, so during that time they may be engaged with the sometimes they make the carpet, sometimes they make the ropes. So they may be, make the such smallest product which they can sell, and in replace of that, whatever grains, agriculture production required for that, they purchase in that. And many times they reared the cattle, sometimes they sold the cattle. Cattle को sell भी करते थे. Suppose in any one area where they were visiting, so they may be sold the ox or like this, those required by any one farmers or agriculturalist. So in that way, later on, they also divided into different categories. Some may be expert in particular work according the skills, so they settle like this. Some may be the smith work, some may be the carpenter work, like so they divided in that manners. They also settle, and we have discussed about the Rajputana clans, how do they divided into different categories, and later on they also settle in different jatis. So today we'll discuss here about the Gond society. So there are two examples given in your book related to Gond society and home society. So we'll discuss about two tribes in details, and in this chapter we will discuss Gond, tribal and nomadics. So in this Gonds, who are the Gonds? A Gonds, a society which was living in the Gondwana area. Of which area known as the Gondwana? Today Gondwana is the stable land. मतलब जिसमें मूवमेंट नहीं होता, अटके खाने के चांसेस नहीं होते. तो you will study in class 9, you know your Deccan Plateau part, that is known as the Gondwana land. So they were also known by the Gondwana, and they were live in that area, Gondwana, and they busy in shifting cultivation. So most of the Gonds were busy in the shifting cultivation. And what is the shifting cultivation here? Shifting cultivation, जैसा नेम से क्लियर है, shift from one place to another. That is known as the shifting cultivation. Suppose tribal are living in the forest area, where the forest, mountain hilly area, and sometimes what happens for agriculture needs, for agriculture purpose, they burn forest and use for the agriculture purpose. इस एरिया को बर्न करके जला के इसको दे यूज फॉर द एग्रीकल्चर पर्पस, एंड 2-3 years कंटिन्यू दे वर यूज, और they were use the practice the agriculture in simple manner. No such modern technology used by them, like no modern technology, no fertilizers, no pesticide, no latest tools used by them. Traditional manners they were practice the cultivation, and when they feel the fertility of soil has declined, so they may be leave that place and shifted it on another one place. Same activity started. Suppose there is the forest and they shifted at another one place. उसी forest को cut करेंगे, let on burn, जला देंगे. After that they use for the agriculture purpose. So one place to another they shifted at their land. That is known as the shifting cultivation. And shifting cultivation, suppose we are cultivating the land for the few months, few years. After when we feel कि fertility has declined, जो fertility है soil की और डिक्लाइन हो गई, कम हो गई, तो वी कैन लीव दैट एरिया एंड वी यूज अनदर. तो वी शिफ्ट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, दैट इज नोन एज द शिफ्टिंग cultivation. And shifting cultivation also known by the different name here. Shifting cultivation also known by the burn and slash agriculture, क्योंकि उसमें बर्न जलाया जाता है, स्लेश वाट एवर जो वेस्टेज जो बचता है ट्रीज का एक्सेस राख और लाइक, तो दिस आल्सो नोन बाय द स्लेश एंड बर्न एग्रीकल्चर. शिफ्टिंग कल्टिवेशन आल्सो नोन बाय द डिफरेंट नेम अकॉर्डिंग टू एरिया वाइज, लाइक ए जूमिंग कल्टिवेशन, milpa cultivation. So these are the different name of the shifting cultivation. So you know, in this they were busy in the shifting cultivation, so we must be know about what is the meaning of shifting cultivation. So shifting cultivation practice in that area where the population, where they practice shifting cultivation where the population were less and land जो अवेलेबल होती थी वो ज़्यादा होते थे, साइज ऑफ लैंड. तो विच एरिया लाइक जहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन कम है, लैंड एरिया ज़्यादा है, लाइक ए माउंटेन एरिया, हिली एरिया, ओके. तो दे वर लिव इन डेट एरिया, फॉरेस्ट एरिया इन डेट. तो दे प्रैक्टिस द शिफ्टिंग कल्टिवेशन एंड यू नो दे वर डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट क्लास. तो फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस कि दे वर प्रैक्टिस द शिफ्टिंग कल्टिवेशन. आई एम रिपीटिंग शिफ्टिंग कल्टिवेशन. They cultivated the land, and when they feel कि fertility of soil has declined, so they leave that land area and shift another one area. They shifted to another one land area, and after they continue use, again they shifted another one area. When soil fertility recovered by the land, so they become set up in that area. Like उस तरह से settle और shift रहते थे. वन प्लेस से अनदर पे शिफ्ट हो गए, वहां से नेक्स्ट पे शिफ्ट हो गए. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज नोन एज द शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन. अनदर वन दे वर डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट क्लास. तो ड्यूरिंग द डेट टाइम मुगल पीरियड दे वर डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट क्लास, और दे आल्सो सम गॉन्स वर पावरफुल, तो दे वर डिवाइडेड इनटू द स्मॉल गॉन्स, लार्ज गॉन्स, इनटू लाइक दिस. तो सम टाइम व्हाट हैपन, small gods dominated by the large god. Large god मतलब large size population, any one large kingdom dominated the small gods. So in this we discuss god kingdom of that area. So who are the powerful gods who provide the help for the rulers, army help also, gunpowder also provided by the god. तो समटाइम सच लार्ज गोंड किंगडम्स नोन बाय द ग्रह कटंगा, उसको क्या कहा जाता था, ग्रह कटंगा कहा जाता था. यू नो ग्रह कटंगा लार्ज गोंड किंगडम, ओके. तो इन दिस दे वर डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट कैटेगरी एंड डिफरेंट यूनिट साइज इज गिवन इन योर बुक. तो यू नो देयर लार्ज किंगडम्स नोन बाय द ग्रह कटंगा, एंड इन ग्रह कटंगा there were the group of 70,000 villages. 70,000 villages का ग्रुप होता था ग्रह कटंगा. यानी एनी वन लार्ज किंगडम, जो एनी वन गोंड किंगडम है, तो डेट एरिया जिसको हम ग्रह कटंगा कहेंगे, सपोज डेट एरिया इज द ग्रह कटंगा, ओके. तो इन दिस देयर वर द 70,000 villages. तो ग्रुप ऑफ द 70,000 villages, group of the 70,000 villages known by the Grah Katanga. So first unit, large unit of the Gonds, that was the Grah Katanga, and they were divided into 70,000 villages. And after that, their administration part. So what type of their administration part here? Their administration part was the centralized. Their administration part was the centralized. अब उनका एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कैसा था? Administration, how to they rule, how to power divided, they were share the power or not to others. जैसे today we are sharing the powers. जैसे हमारा administration कैसा होता है? You know, political party from the government, and they share their power to the different minister. जैसे prime minister like here, एक prime minister होता है, तो centralized means prime minister है. And prime minister share the power among the different ministers. कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर है, इंडिपेंडेंट मिनिस्टर है, स्टेट मिनिस्टर है, तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज शेयरिंग द पावर टू अमंग द डिफरेंट मिनिस्टर्स। तो एक जगह हम पावर शेयरिंग कर रहे हैं। व्हाई द पावर शेयरिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड? बिकॉज इफ एनीवन इशू रिलेटेड टू द फॉरेन अफेयर्स, तो फॉरेन अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर विल टेक द डिसीजन। एनीवन इशूज रिलेटेड टू द एग्रीकल्चर, तो एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर विल टेक द डिसीजन। एनी इशू रिलेटेड टू रेलवे डिपार्टमेंट, तो रेलवे मिनिस्टर विल टेक द डिसीजन। इफ एनीवन इशूज related to finance, तो finance minister will take the decision. Anyone issues related to defense, तो defense minister will take the decision. That's why power sharing required. So this system we can say prime minister is sharing the power towards different minister. तो this is the decentralization. इसको हम क्या कर रहे हैं? सेंटर से पावर को डिसेंट्रलाइज कर रहे हैं, शेयरिंग कर रहे हैं। So this system is known as the decentralization. When a power shared from the center to in different direction, that is known as the decentralization. For example, prime minister, okay, is sharing power to the finance minister, sharing the power to the railway minister, sharing the power to the defense minister, agriculture minister, like this different minister. So he is sharing the power from center to different direction. अलग अलग पावर शेयर हो रहा है, तो ये डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन हुआ, यानी सेंटर से पावर चारों तरफ जा रहा है। तो दिस सिस्टम इज नोन एज द डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन। ओके, दिस सिस्टम इज कंसिडर्ड डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन। अब जस्ट अपोजिट, व्हाट इज द सेंट्रलाइजेशन? व्हेन सब पावर एक सेंटर पे आ जाए, ऑल पावर्स कम टू द वन पर्सन, दैट इज नोन एज द सेंट्रलाइजेशन। तो यू नो बॉन्ड सोसाइटी administration was which type? Centralized. Centralized means the power given to the only one person. It happens where this happens? This happens in the dictatorship. Dictatorship उसको बोलते हैं तानाशाह। तो in dictatorship what happens? पूरे पावर एक ही पर्सन के पास होते हैं। Like a dictatorship in Pakistan, earlier time dictatorship in German, Hitler था, General Pervez Musharraf, he was the dictatorship earlier. So you know power, all the decisions taken by the only one person. So this system is known as the centralization here. तो सभी पावर को एक सेंटर पे लेके आ गए, तो ये सिस्टम को हम सेंट्रलाइज बोलते हैं। तो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हियर? बॉन्ड सोसाइटी सेंट्रलाइज्ड। आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट ना? Centralized when a power comes to the only one person, यानी one person will take the all the decision, that is known as the centralized system. Or decentralized system when power shared to the different person, that is known as the decentralization. So decentralization is the good identity and good character of the democracy. Democracy की एक अच्छी पहचान है decentralization होना चाहिए, यानी power should be shared to the different person. Suppose you are living in a family, or all the power will be taken by only one person, all the decision will be taken by only one person. How do you feel, dear? But when your parents maybe give the chances to share your power, कि बेटा आपकी क्या इच्छा है, what is your decision, आप क्या चाहते हो, तो when you share your desire or when you share your power choice, तो how do you feel? You will feel better, good, अच्छा लगेगा। तो that is known as the power sharing. तो always power sharing is required. Okay dear. So this was the centralized system administration of the Garakatanga and bond administration. Bond का कैसा सिस्टम रहता था? एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पार्ट कैसा था? सेंट्रलाइज था। तो we have discussed group of the 70,000 villages known as the Garakatanga and smaller unit of the Garakatanga known by the Gar. Gar मतलब group of one village. It is divided into the bond clans. Gar. Okay. And another one, they were divided into Chaurasi. Chaurasi means the what? Group of the 84 villages, that is known as the Chaurasi. So group of the 84 villages, that is known as the Chaurasi, and group of the Barots. Barots means the group of 12 villages, that is known as the Barots. So this was their administration system. So first they were group Garakatanga, later on Chaurasi, and later on boroughs. So how to they were divided? First large unit that known by the Garakatanga. Okay, Garakatanga group of 70,000 units. Second unit they were divided into Chorasi group of the 84 villages. Later on they were divided into 12 villages and group of the 12 villages that is known by the boroughs. So this was the administration system of the Gond administration. So here we have discussed about the Gond administration. So Gond administration. So first, in which occupation they were busy or they were engaged? They were mostly engaged in shifting cultivation, and their administration was centralized. And group of the 70,000 villages that is known as the Garakatanga, group of the 84 villages that is known as the Chorasi, and group of the 12 villages that is known as the boroughs. So this was the administration system, or in which area where they live, that area known by the Gondwana. Means Gond or Wana means the place where they are living. Yeah, they were living. So that is known as the Gondwana. So this is the history of Gond. Okay, to continue the lecture, so we have discussed how the administration of Garakatanga was divided. Garakatanga was group of the 70,000 villages, and later on it was divided into 84 villages, Chorasi. Later on it was divided into group of the 12 villages that is known as the boroughs, and their administration was centralized. So okay dear, we are taking the one example from that. So during that time, who were the Brahmins? So those who were the Brahmins, land gifted by the Gond rulers. तो who were the Gond chiefs? They gifted the land to the Brahmins. Brahmins को land gift किया करते थे. Okay. During that time, Gond chiefs who were the powerful, like a ruler of the Garakatanga, they gifted the land. So there is the one example is given in your book related to a story of. So they were considered as a Rajput ruler dear. Many times they consider as a Rajput ruler. So sometimes they also use the different title. कुछ समय के लिए वो different title भी use करते थे. They were use the different title. So there is the one story given in your book that is considered with the Amandas. Amandas was the ruler and he was the chief of the Gond society, and when they consider as a similar of the Rajput ruler, so they were use the different title. So Amandas also used the title Sangram Shah. एक संग्राम शाह उन्होंने टाइटल यूज किया अपने लिए. टाइटल मीन्स द बिफोर नेम जो हम यूज करते हैं, डेट इज नोन एज द टाइटल. ओके, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल डियर चित्तौड़ रूलर यूज द टाइटल लाइक ए राणा, तो राणा सांगा, राणा कुम्मा, लाइक दिस, दैट इज द टाइटल जो नेम से पहले लगता है. ओके, तो अमनदास यूज द टाइटल ऑफ संग्राम शाह, एंड son of the Amandas, Dalpat Singh, son of the Amandas, Dalpat Singh, he has married to the दुर्गावती. उन्होंने एक दुर्गावती से मैरिड की दलपत ने, and who was the Durgavati? Durgavati was the daughter of Chandel Rajput Raja. Chandel, that is the region or area. So she was the daughter of Chandel rulers, Raja Chandel Rajas. So Amandas, son of the Amandas was the Dalpat, and Dalpat married to the Durgavati. After that, what happens? With the support of Veer Narayan, he was the 5 years old, son of the Durgavati. Veer Narayan was the son of the Durgavati and 5 years old. So Dalpat was died early, जल्दी उनकी डेथ हो जाती है. तो all the kingdoms handled by the Durgavati along with the her son, and their administration was too much extensive. बहुत अच्छा administration था उसका. But when a Mughal rulers attack on that, so their kingdoms also attacked by many times the Mughal rulers. So when a Mughal rulers attack on Durgavati areas, kingdom under the Asaf Khan in 1565, Asaf Khan attack on the Durgavati and Gond Katanga under the Mughal forces in 1565. then you know what happens, they were defeated and it better उन्होंने अपना सरेंडर करने की जगह टिल डेथ फाइट किया. तो इन प्लेस ऑफ द सरेंडर टिल डेथ she has fight the war against the Mughal forces which come under the Asabja. As finally you know it is given in your book कि their area was too much prosperous, बहुत ज़्यादा वेल्थी और प्रोस्पियस हुआ करता था. किनका एरिया? गृह कटंगा का. Because they also export the elephants for the rulers for a war. युद्ध के लिए बहुत सी बार वो एलिफेंट्स को इनको एक्सपोर्ट किया करते थे. तो मैनी एलिफेंट्स, coins और you know prosperous product also gained by the Mughal rulers. तो उन्होंने उस एरिया से जितने भी एलिफेंट्स, coins और जो भी you know valuable product जो भी मिले, तो that area considered the prosperous area and most of area hand over to the Chandrasa. Who was the Chandrasa? अभी आता who was the Chandrasa? Chandrasa was the uncle of Veer Narayan. Chandrasa was the uncle of Veer Narayan. And finally when they weak, जब उनका you know administration part weak हो गया गृह कटंगा का, तो लास्ट फाइनली दे आल्सो स्ट्रगल अगेंस्ट द बुंदेल्स एंड मराठा. बाद में उन्होंने मराठा और बुंदेल्स के अगेंस्ट भी स्ट्रगल्स किया. बुंदेल्स उन कम्युनिटी विच आर लिविंग इन द बुंदेलखंड. बुंदेल्स जैसे यू नो रानी लक्ष्मीबाई आल्सो बिलोंग टू द बुंदेल एरिया. इसलिए देयर इज द वन पोएम इन योर बुक आल्सो कि बुंदेले हर बोलो के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. तो बुंदेल मीन्स व्हाट? बुंदेल इज द एरिया located between the UP and MP border, Jhansi district. That area considered the Bundelkhand. Okay, so that area. So they also struggle against the Bundels and Maratha. So that is the story of the Grah Katanga. So I am summing up the story of the Grah Katanga here. Grah Katanga administration was the centralized. They were divided into different units. Group of the 70,000 is known as the Grah Katanga. Group of the 84 villages that is known as the Chaurasi. Group of the 12 villages that known as the Barods. They were living in Gondwana area. They busy in shifting cultivation, and there is the one story given which considered with the Amandas. Amandas was the ruler, and many times they also consider themselves as the Rajput ruler. तो समटाइम दे आल्सो यूज द टाइटल. तो ये टाइटल इज यूज बाय द अमनदास. दैट वाज द संग्राम सा टाइटल यूज किया. ही वाज द ब्रेव वॉरियर्स एंड लेटर ऑन सन ऑफ द अमनदास दलपत सिंह. दलपत वाज द सन ऑफ द अमनदास. शी मैरिड विद द दुर्गावती. अब हु वाज द दुर्गावती? दुर्गावती वाज द प्रिंसेस ऑफ द चंदेल रूलर्स. चंदेल रूलर्स की बेटी थी. आफ्टर डेट व्हाट हैपन्स? अर्ली दलपत इज डाइड. जल्दी उनकी डेथ हो गई दलपत की. तो यू नो ऑल किंगडम्स वर हैंडल्ड बाय द दुर्गावती एंड अलोंग विद द 5 years ओल्ड सन वीर नारायण. उनके बेटे का नाम था वीर नारायण. ओके. लेटर ऑन मुगल फोर्सेस अंडर द आसफ अटैक ऑन द गोंड डायनेस्टी एंड गोंड किंगडम्स अटैक बाय द मुगल्स अंडर द आसफ Jah, and they were defeated, but their area was too much prosperous and elephant, coins, all were annexed by the Mughals, and some few part hand over to the uncle of Veer Narayan. His name is given in this. That was the Chandrasa. Okay, and finally they fight against the Marathas and Bundel also. So this is the complete details about the Gond dynasty. Our next topic is the Home dynasty. We will discuss about the home society here.